A very warm welcome to one and all present here. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes until people get into the session. Since this is the first session of the day, we'll just give everybody the opportunity to sign in and join in. Uh, I'd like to thank our sponsors and partners, platinum sponsors Huawei, Intel, Oppo, event partner CCICI, Cloud Native Computing Foundation, Dev Network, EOTF, JDSF, IEEE Bangalore section, Mulan Open Source, Christu Jayanti College, and SNEA, and our media partners, computerweekly.com, Confab, and Open Source for You. Without their support, we wouldn't be able to pull off this event. Thank you again for all your support for SODACODE 2022. Since many of us have joined here on time, we will run a quick quiz for all of you so that we can give away some goodies for people who actually joined in on time. So I have a couple of questions here which I will ask you, and you can actually answer them in the chat. And the first person to give the right answer will actually win some goodies, and we will get them sent to you at a later date. So check your chat, not the Q&A. In your chat, the first question, and this is for all those present here now, is in the session productization powered by open source experience sharing yesterday, Lee Fei and Shulin spoke about which SODA project? In the session productization powered by open source and experience sharing yesterday, Lee Fei and Shulin spoke about which SODA project? All SODA members and foundation members, please refrain from answering. This is for the attendees who have joined us today. You can check up the agenda, you can look at the projects, you can check out what it was, but get back with the right answer. Lee Fei and Shulin spoke about a particular SODA project in the productization powered by open source session yesterday. Which was the project? You can check out the schedule. You'll find the answer in the schedule. If you go to sched.com, you should be able to find the answer there itself. Or if you attended the session yesterday, then you should know the answer. I can show the question on stage as well. You can take a look here if you missed the question in the chat. And Shushruth gets the right answer. It is, in fact, Soda Delphin. Congratulations, Shushruth. I have another question. Let's see if anybody else should. You can maybe refrain from answering this one. Name the SODA Ambassador Program lead who presented yesterday. Name the SODA Ambassador Program lead. Soundarya will be contacting all the winners via email, via the registered email that you've used for registration. Right now, the question is, name the SODA Ambassador Program lead. You can take a look. Meanwhile, okay, I'm just going to give out the answer in that case. I'm going to wait until the end for this one. Let's see if somebody else comes up with that. With that, let me just stop sharing. I'll come on screen. Hello and welcome to this, the day 2 of SODACODE Demo Days, the culmination of the Data and Storage Hackathon, the first ever global coding hackathon conducted by the SODA Foundation. A few announcements. Speakers, please know that all sessions will have a couple of minutes towards the end as Q&A. If your session is just 10 minutes long, maybe keep a minute towards the end. If it's a 20 or a 30-minute session, please keep 2 to 5 minutes towards the end for Q&A. If it's a panel discussion, we'll leave it to the moderators to take the questions organically. If you've joined as a speaker, you will be having audio and video privileges. As an audience member, you may not have audio video privileges, but you may be invited on stage if your presence is requested. We have given you the Q&A section, which can be used for all the Q&As during the sessions. We will take up the Q&As towards the end of every session. We'll be running quizzes throughout this event, and if you are a lucky winner, we'll have some goodies sent across to you. The information regarding the prizes that you won will be shared via email that you use to register for the event. You can check out the schedule on AirMeet and also mark the sessions that you would like to attend. Again, a shout out to all our event sponsors, platinum sponsors Huawei, Intel, Oppo, event sponsors CNCF, Dev Network, EOTF, JDSF, Krishna Jayanti College, Mulan Open Source, and SNIA, and media partners computerweekly.com, Open Source for You, and Confab. You can check out their booths in the booth section and also able to talk to representatives in the networking tables and the lounges. This is a very nice platform for a real-world experience of the conference. We have the networking lounge as well as the booths available where you can discuss with other participants as well as the sponsors of the event. Keep an eye on the event feed and alert section. We will be sharing information and important updates throughout the event in these two areas. They're using the hashtag #SODACODE2022 on social media. Please tweet, share, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and don't forget to tag us with @SODA_Foundation on these places. If you have any doubts or issues and need to talk to someone, please head over to the events help desk booth or the technical help desk in the networking lounge. You'll be able to get technical support in either locations. With that, ladies, gentlemen, and others, let's just recap day one of SODACODE Demo Days. On day one, we listened to keynotes from SODA Foundation, SoftBank, Intel, and Oppo. We had a very informative panel discussion with some of the contributors of SODACODE 2022, both professionals as well as students. Technical sessions on ecosystem development and the SODA Ambassador program. We also learned about how open source projects can power productization. We got introduced to some of the participating projects of SODACODE 2022. And finally, we announced the rising stars and winners of the SODACODE 2022 professional category. Well, it's time now to start day two of SODACODE 2022 Demo Days. Let us now join the keynote session for the opening keynote. Let's move on to the next session. Thank you very much and welcome again to SODACODE Demo Days. Well, I just got the right answer from Akash Sabu. Akash Sabu says Krishna M. Kumar, and that is absolutely correct. Congratulations, Akash. You got the prize for the second question as well. So let's now move on to the next session. Thank you very much, everybody.